We are going to unbox iPhone 12. The box is very simple, neat, easy to hold. Backside of the box we can able to see the phone description as it is iPhone 12 White 128GB variant designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And the month and year of import is October 2020. Here the box includes iPhone 12 and USB-C to lightning cable, and they clearly mentioned that power adapter and headphone sold separately. Apple is proving that they are a premium smartphone manufacturer from the design of the box itself. The text, iPhone text, which is on the left and the right side, Apple logo in top and bottom, and the iPhone design that is in the top of the box, everything is in white color as the box holds an white iPhone. If it is a red, blue, green or black variant, all these designs will be in the respective colors. Let's unbox this. Let's slowly unbox this, and the iPhone is kept upside down. We can place it here, and here we can able to see USB-C to lightning cable, and here user manuals and Apple stickers and SIM ejector tool. Okay, that's it in the box. The phone is very comfort and easy to hold. For one hand operation, I think it will be too good, I guess. The design is completely is of iPhone 5s and for the design, and it's quite good. It looks good, and for holding it gives us some extra grip compared to the previous iPhones like 11 and 10, and this is somewhat steady, and this aluminum finish, everything is good. In the left side we can able to see the volume up and volume down button, and here is the silent and general key. Here there is a slot for SIM card, and right side we can have the lock and unlock key. Top it is simple plain having the antennas, and bottom of the phone we can able to see the stereo speakers and lightning cable. If instead of that lightning cable if we had type C, then it could have been better. As it is a non-pro variant, we can able to see two cameras at the back, and Apple logo is at the center of the phone. The setup, everything is done, and let's swipe up the LED screen. That OLED screen is too good. Previously the non-pro variants will have the LCD screen. The first time here they have given OLED screen for the non-pro variants. It's a 6.1 inch screen. Previously I had a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, that is 6.2 inch screen, but comparatively this seems like it's little more better for me. Let's go to the settings and see the phone. Yeah, software version is 14.1 and capacity is 128GB, but available is 112.99, which means around 113GB. 15GB has been taken by the iOS and all the apps which has been installed by default. I think most of the Apple apps has been installed, I guess. Yes, as it is. Here we can able to see the widgets, and here the app library is there. When Apple removed 3.5mm headphone jack in iPhone 10, all the leading smartphone manufacturers trolled Apple for that, but later on they also followed the same strategy. So very soon, maybe in a year or two, all the leading smartphones will start removing the power adapter from the box. That's it for first impression and unboxing. Just use this phone for 10 to 15 days and I will come up with a further review. If you people want to know any particular things about this phone, just mention those things in the comment section. I will try to cover up that as well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.